In this video, I will show you how to install BatchGuru in your Relativity environment. Once you get a copy of BatchGuru RAP file, which is a standard application file that's used in Relativity, you can upload it to your application library. You will get this file either emailed from me or you will download it from my website, #legal.com. So let's go to Relativity, go to Application and Scripts, Application Library, select Upload Application, browse, select our application, click Open, and select Save. This will install BatchGuru in the admin section of your Relativity environment. Once the installation is complete, select Workspace, Install, and choose which workspace you would like to install BatchGuru in. I'm going to select BatchGuru Workspace, click OK, and click Save. Once installation is complete, navigate to that workspace, and we're going to need to apply a license key. We only need to do it first time we install it in any of the workspaces. You should also apply a license key before you add any agents. If you add agents before license key is applied, those agents will become disabled. What you'll have to do is simply re-enable them after license key is applied. So let's navigate to BatchGuru, config license, and here you will see name of your Relativity instance. You will need to send this ID or your instance name to me so I could generate a serial number for you. Once I generate a serial number, you can paste your license key in the area below, click Apply New Key. You will get message Key Accepted. If you refresh this page, you should see time when the license expires. Now we're ready to create BatchGuru agent. We're going to go to Agents, and we're going to select New Agent. Now we're going to select BatchGuru agent. How many agents you would like to have, and on which agent server do you want it to run. It is always a good idea to install BatchGuru on a separate agent server if you expect a lot of users to be using BatchGuru. This way, if they put a lot of strain on that server, it does not affect the rest of the Relativity environment. Also, if there is any crashes or any kind of issues with BatchGuru, it does not affect main Relativity environment. Now we can filter for BatchGuru application here and confirm that it is enabled and the message says started. This way you know license key worked and agent is expecting to receive jobs. You can have multiple agents in your environment, and what that means that there are multiple people can run batches at the same time. So if you have 3 agents, 3 batches can run at the same time. If you don't have enough agents to run jobs that are users submitting, jobs will simply go in the queue and will be processed in the order that they're being submitted in. Now that the agent is running, users can go to the workspace and start using BatchGuru. If you have any issues installing BatchGuru, feel free to contact me at nick@legal.com. Thank you for watching.